Away, my people. Area don scatter. Brodamike don finish about Obazee for this video. I go put this video for now. Make una watch. Make una listen to how e take finish. Not be small thing o. Hey. You know say about Obazee. E go meet Brodamike during that time wey e be say Brodamike dey do video where dey show us the road wey e be say Obaseki no dey work. Una know say about dey talk and say Obaseki dey work o, Obaseki dey work o. My people, make I just put the video, make una lis ten. No be small gbas o. E give am Abbas no fit sleep. Una bye make una watch this video.
Obaseki talking anyhow is easy. It is easy for Brodamike to talk anyhow. Because it doesn't really have much. You know what I'm talking about? Obaseki, believe man, I spoil believe how.
About Obazee, pray! I pour spit for your face. If I don't point today for your face, tomorrow you go point to me. How about you be bad man? With person like you, I don't know if you move forward. How about you just prove to the world saying you be enemy of progress of this state? Those states good that you carry your family go abroad with your children. And you are proud of the country you are. Are you proud of your father's land? Albert, I was ashamed of you when I watched almost a 2 hours video. They analyze about me. You give me money. You give Brodamike money. Albert, you only pay me for advert. You pay me for advert. Get me so? I'm ashamed of you. See your father's land. Tomorrow you go fall. I think when Peter Obi they campaign then. You even betray PDP then. They campaign for Peter Obi then. Why? Because of say Obi is very proud of what he do for his state. If they put Peter Obi and Obaseki, now you go choose about. If they put Obaseki when you betrayed then, when you support obedience then, who will you support? Who you go choose? But no matter how you said it, my words stand firm. Get me so? Obaseki now make us feel. Get me so? And again, you say I don't go school. Yes. I go use initiate packaging to talk to you. I no go school, but my children today, they go one of the best school in Edo State. Where be saying the corrupt criminal way frustrate the states they go, that children they go. Let my picking they go. I me myself, I'm very proud of it. Let me say, just imagine for good 2 hours, you don't live they talk about Brodamike. Give her money, Brodamike this one. You pay me for adverts. And again, I can remind you, Governor Obaseki is a governor of the state. And the governor everybody, not only you about. So the way you cause this Christian governor every blessed day, that is how me myself. I also find bad attitude in your governor regime, but I never for once open my cause him. I always say it fail beating people. Just imagine rain go fall. See Obege road. Battery for a month. See Obege road. That the road be. Abi. So you expect nobody to talk about Obaseki, but you have the mind and the effort to talk about this government? No. If this government see fail also, you also body shame them. And for all those lazy you that live in Abon support you, all those mugus will be saying they don't know that left and right. If they do good, let them come back to the father's land. Don't be online protest they go do. Come back on, go see for yourself. Best go build as finish, no bad of food everywhere. No, most of the project Obaseki do, the project we do, which way to pass on? Even as popular as Stella Obasanjo hospital there now, even the road said he spoiled my friend live. He spoiled the road. Obaseki did not do any road in Edo State. He spoiled all the road in Edo State. He spoiled them. So Albert, because of say I expose corruption, expose all the old bad road will be say Obaseki no fit do for 8 years. When they serve Edo State, see the way Edo dirty. We be say Benin Maru Edo State. Okay, fair Albert, where Obaseki for come? No be Edo. Show me one better place for those states. Now we be so doctor say around the environment, all of them. Now you can begin to tell me say I no go school, I be initiate, I'm that, I'm this. But it's too late. I no go allow you to come use your corruption to spoil another land. Okay, so you feel they call this governor, cause everybody now, but you don't allow anybody to talk about the bad thing with the ex-governor do. I will never go back to my ex-girlfriend. Never. Albert, you go cry, no worry. If this governor not see work, we go see bullying. We don't do trade by pattern. We do by what we see. So, it don't too much. This time around, any governor we come to Edo State, they under the wash of Edo people. Yes, we don't wise. Enough is enough. Now they come as governor, come the enrich and save our children. But the people in the state will pass through a lot in time of flood. You know what happen? Yes. Only flood I know. So I will say they expose this governor now. Just 3 months for 6. It's never up to 3 months safe. If for the happy say yes, like he's doing well. Because I can tell you now, see a governor, but say cannot do so many roads. Am I lying? Tomorrow for that day, they talk about say what the Bible river, what the Bible river in the club for just 3 months. What your governor not fit do for 8 years? 8 years, not fit do for the full Amagba road. All the road, only your road the entire half. That is wickedness. The entire road half. The Albert to the time which he has not stop. Nah. Flood don't destroy the road finish. That is wickedness. Governor Obazee is a Benin man. At least he's supposed to keep a legacy by road. He try for bridge, you know. If I saw shade one, he try. When it comes to education, he try. But where is the road to go to that place? No road. No road. So okay. Obazee, I beg. Now you bring this body shame me come. You say I been it. I'm very proud of myself. I been it. But I gotta let you know, say your picking school fees, 2 of the school fees. I swear to God, if you reach $1,000, me go punish me. If you reach $1,000, me go punish me. My picking school, guys, may rest to. See, it's not about abroad. Me, calm down. And again, for the new governor of the state, I beg. With due respect, do well and serve your people. They know where. I beg. When it comes to security, you don't try small. When it comes to road, I never know. So at least the road belongs to everybody. And again, for all those mugus when they talk, say why Abba go reply me, reply fire. I mean, you go ask say why they reply about. So I don't give from Abba give from me. Keep quiet there. Fisa Bisaka person. Rubbish. Obazee is the ex-governor of the state. So in memory, we ever remain in Edo State. If he do well, he must be remembered. If he do bad, he must be remembered. So now the bad and they see. Not this recent governor fought right now say the road is corrupt. I mean myself for that video I'm making, I also said the governor saying that he right to do the road. I said about for the video. Where you come but I say I be in each and not go school. And he can say the mafia arrest me. But those on a whole story, not now. So and they build station to arrest people. They build set to arrest people. So very dark man will be say that they worship last Messiah. Very dark man, no. And they arrest every time. So go to station and no thief. That one a personal issue. But not now. Rubbish.
When you see all these agents of darkness, some other rascals, Brodamike, some other rascals trying to play on our intelligence, trying to make us look stupid. When you stumble,
Albert, I go let you know, say I cure mad people for a living. I cure madness for a living. Most of them don't like, don't really know about pain. Waiting the fee for body. You understand? I'm waiting the ice when we right now. If I become the messiah of our time. Albert, why you they call me faith person? I don't understand. Albert, now because of you, my destiny died before. You be bad man. When you carry me go meet governor, before I know you, waiting cause I'm what I know you. You carry me, package me with your juju and food. The world come begin they feel say they give me money, they bribe me. They give me money to they keep the evil things you have been doing in the community of Edo State. Because of that, you say, make una do road. Make Edo people remember the governor. Thank God for their life. Governor, you leave power. See, I'm really one for now. Edo will be nightmare. They won't fall now. See, I'm video. Edo State will be nightmare in the less than 5 minutes from now. You therefore abroad UK. They rant your man, they call me faith person. I pour you spit your face. You are a bad man. Nothing they shake me. Check my history. The reason why I dragged Albert heart this year, when rain fall the last time, the first rain in this year, before Albert tweet on that video. And at the same thing I do back then, when we say this call Albert begin, they call me bad man, they call me Igbo for the state, for my brother's land. He dragged me using juju and voodoo, carry me go meet governor. They make me look stupid. I can't keep quiet. The office they give me money, they bribe me. Nothing they give me. This boy is a juju man, but now I will cure your case. This Albert, so for my own sense of reason, Albert they among the people we make it don't get roads today. They pay this boy by dollars. If I don't really good, why our Bakari family go abroad? Eh? Your father's stand is okay. You are living where? You are ready for I swear now. I swear we no smell government house. You go cry. Because you are looking for somebody that will be paying your ass rent in UK. Go and work. Go and work like your mate in abroad. Go and work. It don't know good. Go and work. Now, every time, court case, court case, court case, court case. I swear we lose. You will lose. Yes. Even Obazee himself, they say he first tenor, they ring up for him. I swear we lose. Nobody ring election. How about let the governor good work speak for him? Real 1-4. The expose of Obazee will be tomorrow morning. See our video. Real 1-4. Governor rule state for good 8 years. No road for Edo State. Edo is one of the dirtiest states in Nigeria. If I swear a really good man as you talk, wait till make the I swear himself no go palace. To not give the respect to the king of the land. Why? I swear we lose. There will not be no more assurance for you in UK. You go cry. You go cry tired. The people who called you on phone, they don't really know who you be. As he call me fake person, I will expose you very soon. I will come for you. Don't worry. You go cry. You go cry. Send your thoughts from UK coming for this place. You go cry. You be bad person than you really be. How about you be evil man? You do for a living. You arm me with your voodoo system. Just imagine before I talk about the government, about the party in the state. How about you come from UK with the juju man? He touched me. No worry, my eye don't open. I will use you. I will cure your madness. As a person, you always bring your Edo brothers down. Your Edo people, you bring them down. I will bring you down. Not till they fear me. I'm the oracle himself. Don't worry. Let me so. Don't worry. How about beg me? How about beg me, Brodamike? I beg. Have mercy on my government. I can't rest. You got the phone smart for me. I will cure your madness. No problem. I not be the last people. I will cure your case. Video. Tomorrow morning, Obazee, the man that ruled for 8 years, his job will be exposed. I will draw this rain. I'm the oracle himself. Rain will expose you and your fake government. Governor Obazee, let me go. See, normally, if governor really rule well for the state, he do well. Why? Obazee, why? As when fail. Why I do not protest when you say they're in the election? Why? I will cure your madness, about. Don't worry. Your hair will clear. Don't worry. I love the rest. I will cure your madness. That's what I say. I'm the oracle.